Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stoke. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around the used 2019 edition Volkswagen Polo R-Line that does come complemented in a desired black paintwork with of course your R-Line styling pack for that modernised edge. You do have your 1 litre TSI engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city runaround or as a first car, with plenty of top features including your light and sight pack for an enhanced visibility, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels and the protection of your parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. Moving into the boot area, you will find enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures maximum comfort, with your fitted ISOFIX points and even access to your central power outlets, ideal on those longer trips, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and access to your central touch display screen, with the modernised edge of your embroidered badging. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have an array of audio options, including the controls for your cockpit display with all of your vital driving data and of course your variation of audio. Moving across, again you do have access to your variation of radio stations and even your app connect to stay endlessly entertained and connected on the go. This vehicle does also come complete with your navigation, with your points of interest, so you can easily get around those unfamiliar areas, with of course your on-screen vehicle information and activation of your front and rear parking sensors, easily guiding you into those tricky manoeuvres. This is followed just below by your handy power outlets and manual air conditioning and of course your central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.